So today's video comes courtesy of Sam's Beauty. They sent over this beautiful gray ombre wig. This wig comes from Bobbi Boss. What's really cool is it is a synthetic wig, but it's also 13x4 hand-tied Swiss lace. Really cool because I don't think I've ever had a synthetic wig that actually had a 13x4 frontal or closure on it, which is really cool. It's seamless finish, blends perfectly, ear to ear, large lace, most natural. So as you can see here, it does go 4 inches back, but also with the 13x4 you get like literally ear to ear parting, so you can literally part anywhere you want it. If you wanted to do like a top knot bun or something like that, you could do that. I decided to stick with the side part that it came with already, and I really like the way that came out. I did do very minimal baby hair so that it didn't look too boxy when you're close up on me. But as always, I feel like whenever I do a synthetic wig and I do, how do you say it, baby hair, you have to kind of either take your time and soup it with something really firm, like a Got To Be glue gel, or you have to use, or if you use like a Eco Styler gel or something like this, it's going to keep lifting. So right now it keeps lifting, but it'll be fine because you basically have to train the synthetic hair to go in the way that you want it to go. Usually a scarf or something like that will help you after you make the baby hair. Just tie it down with the scarf, leave it on for an hour or two, and then you should be fine. But that is kind of one of the things about baby hair with synthetic wigs, is like when you just try to do it with some gel, it might not stay down, or it never sticks down for me rather. The curls on this are super nice. The hair itself is, I would say, like a yucky texture. So I'll go ahead and jump into the quick tutorial, or get ready with me, however you want to call it. Not really a tutorial, I'm just going to show you like the inside of the cap, the parting and all that stuff, and how I slayed this wig. So if you're interested, keep on watching. video was self-explanatory. The texture of this hair is a bit yucky, but it's a smooth yucky, not like a coarse yucky. I did get a little bit of shedding and a little bit of tangling with this wig, but not to the point that like I wouldn't wear it. It was pretty okay. I did tuck it behind my ears, but it does look a little bit better when you kind of bring it forward so it doesn't look too boxy. The curls, even after you comb it out, are still there and super pretty. I love the gray tone on this hair, and I think it's done very tasteful, especially for it to be such an affordable wig. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial slash review slash get ready with me. Go ahead and leave a comment in the description bar letting me know what other synthetic wigs. Ooh, I have hair. So yeah, go ahead and leave in the description bar any other wigs from Sam's Beauty or any synthetic wigs in general that you guys would like to see me review. Thank you guys so much for watching. This wig is listed in the description bar, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.